I wanted to make this video about how plants talk to each other and help each other. Now there is this young plant which you will see that on one side the stems are not branching off that much, and on the other side it is almost touching another similar mango tree, and that mango tree seems to be the mother tree because the other branch of the same mango tree is gone towards the sky, while one of the branches has bent lower to give support to this young mango plant, which I feel is its child, like it's grown from some mango which had fallen from it or whatever. It just seems to be like a mother. Whenever there is a storm, if you can see that these leaves are touching each other, and when there is a storm, you see they are interlocked, and it kind of gives support, and it's so beautiful. It just plants are very, very intelligent. We feel that plants are stupid, they are not. And there is this creeper which I observed was I kind of was trying to guide it and lead it, but it was more intelligent and it made its own choice. And this creeper, I tied these ropes so that they would climb up these ropes and they would make a network. But one of them, if you can see, it's grown right up. It did not take, it made its own decision, took a choice and went higher, and it took the support of the tree and it's gone higher. So they are intelligent beings, these creepers, I mean plants, and they can't be led or misled, or if we think that we can try to guide them. And then there is another thing, that there are so many plants growing with each other. Now at this spot there must be around 15 trees growing at the same place, but they kind of seem to help and support each other. They take each other's support and they are standing. And there are wild plants too. They are not suppressing or they are not killing each other. That is something which we must learn from them. ये जो पेड़ पौधे हैं ये एक दूसरे को मारते नहीं हैं, ये इतने सारे एक जगह पे उग रहे हैं, फिर भी ये सबको ये अपना जगह बना के ऊंचाई को छू ही लेते हैं, चढ़ ही जाते हैं। और मैंने ये रस्सी दे के मैंने कोशिश किया था इसको एक निर्धारित रास्ता दिखाने का कि उसमें वो, ताकि उसके हिसाब से बढ़े, पर वो नहीं बढ़ा और वो पेड़ के ऊपर चला गया और इतनी ऊंचाई तक पहुंच गया, उसने मेरी रस्सी छोड़ दी और ऊपर खुद अपनी ऊंचाई का उसने रास्ता खुद बना लिया। तो हमें भी ऐसे करना चाहिए, हमें किसी और को दबाने की ज़रूरत नहीं। अगर हम ऊंचाई छूना चाहते हैं, हम बढ़ते रहें, खुद ऊंचाई छू जाएंगे। इफ़ वी वांट टू रीच द upper the heights in life, then we don't need to suppress each other. We can just support each other all around us, and we can just focus on climbing, and we will climb. Nobody can stop us. And the more we support each other, the more we'll grow. There are so many trees over here, as you can see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Rita trees growing from the same spot, and they are just all growing up, all supporting each other. Nobody is stopping each other, so that is something I think we should learn from them. ये 10-12 रीठा के पेड़ की जगह से उग रहे हैं और ये किसी को दबा नहीं रहे हैं, तो ये हम सीखें इनसे तो अच्छी बात होगी।